So hey guys, welcome back to the channel. In today's tutorial I'm going to show you how to make reels on Instagram step by step. Reels are the one of the best way to get more views, reach new people and share fun. So let's get in. At first, make sure you have downloaded the Instagram from Google Play Store or Apple Store and make sure that you have logged into your account. Now on the home screen, tap the plus icon button center and from the option choose reel. Now you will see the camera. You have two options. You can record a video by holding the white capture button or you can upload clips from your gallery by tapping the gallery icon at the bottom left. Instagram also let you combine multiple clips together into one reel. You can choose a song from Instagram library or even you can use your own original audio. You can also trim the song match the best part of your video. Instagram Reels come with lots of creative tools, for instance effect, speed and timer. After recording or uploading, tap preview. Here you can add text, stickers, GIFs or drawings to your reel. You can also trim or adjust each clip to make everything smooth. When you are happy with your reel, tap next with a catchy caption, add hashtags, tag people and choose whether to share it on your feed as well as the Reels tab. Finally, tap share and your reel is live. And that's it. That's how you make a reel on Instagram step by step. Reels are super powerful for getting engagement and growing your account. So definitely try them out. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe and hit the bell icon so you will never miss more Instagram tips and tutorials. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next video. Till then, bye bye, take care, have a great day.